We'll guide you through how to transfer Excel table to PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To transfer an Excel table into a PowerPoint slide, begin by opening Microsoft Excel on your device and selecting the workbook you have already prepared. Move your cursor to the Open button and open your project so the data is visible. Next, select all the cells that have been used in the table and copy the entire selection. After that, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device, click Blank Presentation, then move your cursor to the Create button at the bottom left corner and click it. Choose a layout and select Blank to start with an empty slide. At this point, you have two ways to transfer the Excel table into PowerPoint. The first method is by using standard paste options. Press Ctrl C on Windows or Command C on Mac to ensure the table is copied. Then right-click on an empty space on the slide and paste it, or simply click the paste icon on the home panel. Once pasted, the table's colors may not appear exactly as in Excel, but they are adjustable. You can change the text, adjust the table size by dragging the corner points, modify cell sizes, and align table elements as needed. To change table colors, go to Table Design, click Shading, applying it to columns or rows as desired. You can also change text color by selecting Text Fill and picking a visible color that contrasts well with the cell background. For further edits, go to the Home tab and adjust the text using the available formatting tools until it looks right. If you want the table to keep its original Excel formatting without adjustments, use the second method by right-clicking on the slide, selecting Paste Special, or clicking the Paste drop-down on the Home panel and choosing Paste Special. Then select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object and click OK. Resize it by dragging the corner points until it fits your slide. Finally, adjust all elements until the layout feels balanced. Then save your project by pressing Ctrl S on Windows or Command S on Mac. Rename your file for easy access and click Save. This ensures your presentation looks neat, clear, and professionally organized.